What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kash here, back at you with another tutorial. This time we will be doing a high taper tutorial on a client that I've been cutting for about 4 to 5 years. Let's get it.
Like and subscribe.
And while you at it, light your fire. Alright, Kash family, going in with our wall cordless detailer, Tramisha. We're going to use her to make all of our first guidelines for our high taper. Here go Tramisha, outside, already cutting up. Here we go, spinning to the other side of dome top of this, because you know Tramisha's still outside and making her next guideline. And here she go, cutting through the hair like a baddie cut through the line of the bar. Unapologetic and on a mission. And sometimes you gotta go to the back where it get hazy at. But stay clear, you don't wanna be a part of no rumors. But she figured they'd be talking anyways, so she cleared it out. And here go her big friend Sandy. She be clearing out and debunking every situation. Ain't no fun if the big girl can't have none. But that's the one guard, lever closed, smoothing out the situation. And you know Tramisha told her about the static that was happening on the other side of Dome Topless. So she had to go over there and smooth out the situation. And of course she's still stepping with that one guard, lever fully closed. See, one thing about Sandy a big girl, but Sandy got range. She flexible. There's multiple reasons you gotta bring her on the hop out. Right now, she gonna go in, no guard, lever fully open, making the first guideline 1 inch. And see, I told you she was flexible. She gonna do that lever play, she gonna put that thing down, flip it, and reverse it. And that's flipping that lever halfway open and reversing what used to be a blendless party. Now here she is, lever fully closed, skewing any harsh lines, taking the edge off before she take this party up a level. Moving in with the one guard, lever fully closed, going up an inch, securing second base. But see, she understood. To have the perfect blend, she had to have the folks from upstairs kicking with the people from downstairs. So she started to go back and forth. She hit the party people upstairs, but the one guard lever fully open, knocking the egos down a notch, blending them in perfectly with the rest of the party. And I almost forgot, Sandy and Tramisha, they keep that golden street sweeper with them, brushing down any activist, any opposition. And hold up, wait a minute, look out, duck low. Hold on, whoa, Sandy done pull out the zero, taking out that last line. No more friction, no more static. It's about to get real crazy on this side. And you see, everyone was acting confused. But Sandy, she knew how to blend the party. Coming back in with her zero guard, then taking it down, no guard, lever fully open, in and out again. She was doing the work, obviously. And Big Sandy, she believe in equal rights. So whatever she did on one side of Dome Topless, she definitely gonna do to the other. Like I said, reliable and flexible and steady with that motion. Going up an inch again, doing that work. Lever fully open, showing all her goods. But she knew she had to behave. So she went in with the one guard, lever fully closed, going up half an inch, doing exactly the same thing she did to the other side of Dome Topless. Because there ain't no sense in fixing a plan that ain't broke. Knocking out their egos again, one guard, lever fully open. Keeping that street sweeper motion activated for any opposition. And on a more serious note, Kash family, remember, always rinse, wash, and repeat the same steps that you did on one side to the other. Trust the process and know and understand that you will achieve the desired look for you and your client. Look away from the blend during the cut. Get a different eye view. Look at the mirror. Look at the sky. Look at anything. Just reset your eyes. Make sure that you're seeing what you're seeing. And if you are, continue to apply pressure. Putting Sandy back in that necessary adjustment. Lever fully closed. Debulking the situation. And bear with me, Kash family. I was having some minor camera issues during filming, but hopefully I was still able to bring you some entertainment as well as an informational experience. And well, by now, we all know Sandy. She gonna blend out the party, as you can see. Back on that lever play, applying final touches to that neck taper. And you know Tramisha had to pop back out to the party. Getting ready to go in and put this line on this neck taper. And again, watch when I put these lines on this blend, you begin to see it. Like I said, this is artistry. Watch it come in motion. Watch the blend, watch everything come together, because it's going to get to a point where I'm not talking and I'm going to let you guys rock out. And remember, we're going to apply that same finesse and cash out the opposite side. Pay attention to how I'm working the corner of the blade around the ear. And I'm gonna talk my talk again, Kash family. I'm applying pressure on this cut. I'm putting straight cash on this cut. If you guys rock with me, please like, share, and subscribe. And let's rock out to this next single we have today by Trado 2 times, VOME, Victim of My Empathy. Let's get it. Vertical bar work first. Now I'm gonna let y'all rock out.
Might sit back, not react. I'ma see how they gon' play it. The younger me with flashing blank, yeah. I be seeing red. My mama had me see a therapy. They had me taking med, but traumatized from all they hurt won't vent. I'm going straight to bed. I saw I'm dogging all these women, only tussle on her head. Try to keep it real a couple times, but now my love dead. Trying to lift a bit when I was broke, was cutting on my legs. So trying to show a nigga love, got my dog along bed. So if I go and slide, I'm by myself, I do my own bed. I don't want your fighter going slide, I got my own leg. Cause you ain't finna tell my business, speaking to the wrong man. And I ain't finna play and put my life up in the wrong hand. These niggas hate to see me shine, I guess I'm in the wrong band. I hate to be like other niggas, came up with my own stand. Now they ain't wanna put me on, I went and made my own tent. They ain't wanna build with us, we went and made our own print. So fuck about no cloud and riding ways, get my own fan. She don't really love me, she more focused on her only fan. I held you down when you were broke, you switched up on your only fan. You said you wanted love, but don't submit and run off ahead, man. I hate on full all this shit, but think more think to hurt you back. So no karma is a sneaky bit, so better watch your back. I already died, I made a vow to bro, I told him no more slack. You ain't even here to see me when I'm flexing with these rats. So if you ever was in trouble, you know Trado snap they head. I might gamble with my life, but they won't see me when I cry. I might be the one the key to put this city on the map. I just be drowning in my pain, I reminisce in my rap. Everything come from the heart, I try to stay away from cow. All these niggas make me sick, I ain't acknowledging they doubt. And I ain't tryna do no feature, I don't wanna buy your belt, so keep it pushing. We in traffic cause I got it in my lap. I ain't get this far to turn around, no way I'm going back. The only time we double back is if we just couple tap. Known to put in extra work on my way, running extra loud. I put that hustle in my trap, invested, put it in my rap. And then my brother start to snap, and we gon' focus on it, pal. And the nigga around me envious, we all just want it bad. Where you from, a nigga get some money, everybody mad. And on my side, we like to kill the crab. Bustin' all the rap. Put my feelings in the chest, put my folks on that bag. Had to learn that pain don't hurt as much when running through a chest. So giving out my love, no turn, been fucking up my bread. I might drop a check, can't help it. I got brother really. Threw all my feelings in the trash, put my folks on the bag. Had to learn that pain don't hurt as much when running through a chest. So giving out my love with no return, been fucking up my head. I just might drop a tick, can't help it. I got brother really dead. I might sit back, not react. I'ma see how they gon' play it. The younger me with flashing blank, yeah. I be seeing red. My mama had me see a therapy. They had me taking med, but traumatized from all they hurt won't vent. I'm going straight to bed.
Trado 2 times with the banger of the day. Victim of my empathy, VOME, and he put some cash on it. Back to this cut. I'm back out there with the sword, you know, the Wu-Tang Shaolin style, doing the dirty work. Next, we got Way Better by Gilly Beats. And don't forget, protect your neck. 45-degree angles. Be the swordsman. Don't let the sword be you.
I'm coming to Dre, step in my jello, my bitch with a king. She think she Coretta, got stone in my ear, ain't talking Rosetta. I want my respect, I got a minute of my foot on their neck, and no, I won't let her, I'm fucking her friend.
Coming in with our magic barber pencil, color light brown, so we can add a pop, couture, and Kash on this line.
I'm fly as a bird, she soft as a feather, she got low mileage just like a Tesla. She bad to the bone, she hot like a pepper. I bought her some stones, ain't talking Rosetta. My pockets got clumped like Nutty Professor. I put me in line, got lean on the dress. I'm coming to Dre, step in my jello, my bitch with a king. She think she Coretta, got stone in my ear, ain't talking Rosetta. I want my respect, I got a minute of my foot on their neck, and no, I won't let her, I'm fucking her friend. Her pussy way with her, I bought her black diamonds, color Mandela. I eat me a Tesla, feeling way better. I'm coming to Dre, step in my jello, my bitch with a king. She think she Coretta, got stone in my ear, ain't talking Rosetta. I want my respect, I got a minute of my foot on their neck, and no, I won't let her, I'm fucking her friend. Her pussy way with her, I bought her black diamonds, color Mandela. I eat me a Tesla, feeling way better. I'm lit like a lamp, I'm stamped like a letter. A nigga get down, a nigga get wet up, I feel like the champ. I feel like Mayweather, I bought her a booty, I put it together. I'm stacking the paper, I need me a shredder. I bought her some pumps, my bitch Cinderella. I'm smoking on skunk, passing air fresher. I'm high as a kite, I'm smoking on pressure. A nigga get left, boy, you better stay right. But if it's pressure, I'm keeping the pipes. Take a nigga bitch, I pull me a heist. Need a Montclair, I'm rocking his ice. My lick ain't all white, just like some rice.
Y'all see the cash, y'all see the heat.
Wanna fuck all night. I'm coming to Dre, step in my jello, my bitch with a king. She think she Coretta, got stone in my ear, ain't talking Rosetta. I want my respect, I got a minute of my foot on their neck, and no, I won't let her, I'm fucking her friend.
It's Picasso. Picasso is Cash. Cash Picasso. Picasso Cash Clips. Whatever you want to call it. But no, seriously. Using my brush to smooth out any applicator that may have came on too strong. Now Cash is applying the use of his bald shaver and doing work. I'm tripping when I'm talking in third person. Either way, I'm doing the work.
Gilly made the beat to some heat, boy.
And if you can get your hands on an electric shaver, get one. I'm gonna drop a link to one in the bio, in the description. You got to, especially if you can use it on a client that doesn't have sensitive skin or they won't break out because it's too close of a shave. If you can utilize this, the haircuts last way longer. Cash family, this is the cut. And once again, you know I cashed them out. I hope you loved it. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.